So we're guessing your Twitter feed is configured and set up using WP Social Ninja. If you haven't and need help with that, we already have a video on it. This video is all about making your Twitter feed super stylish. What's in the style section? Let's find out. With WP Social Ninja, you have full control. From the style options, you can completely customize your feed's appearance. To start, enable the option, and now you can personalize the elements of header, name, meta, content, and action. Click on header to edit the header elements. From the drop-down, you can customize the text color and typography of almost every section of your Twitter feeds. You can pick absolutely any color for your text, which is a fantastic way of turning every item into a branding element. Once you're happy with the colors, click on typography. Change size, font, weight, style, spacing, and everything else from this menu. You can even customize the buttons and boxes. Change the look of author name, meta, content, hashtag, color, and whatnot. You can customize the text color and typography of almost every section of your Twitter feeds. You can even customize the boxes. Change the border type, padding, and text color for a fully personalized button. You'll find the options to switch devices here, so check out and fix how feeds are gonna look on different devices. Play around and let us know how you like the new style features of WP Social Ninja. That's it for this video. We'll be back perhaps with another social media platform. Until then, stay tuned to WPManageNinja.